Muscle car fans, Wes Eisenschenk here. We are just 5 days away from the premiere of our brand new video podcast series on YouTube called Lost and Found Muscle Cars. Here's what you're doing next. Go to this channel, watch our preview, and subscribe. It's free.
We got a lost muscle car, we'll find it.
My name is Wes Eisenschenk. I created an online community for people searching for their long-lost muscle cars. On this video podcast series, I'll talk to desperate car lovers about how their favorite rides went missing, and with your help and our vast network of internet gearhead sleuths, hopefully we can track down some answers. Buckle up for surprising stories, shocking reveals, and some epic owner car reunions. Click subscribe. Our video podcast premiere is coming soon.